obsessed, got me obsessed, got me obsessed. Got me obsessed, got me obsessed.
Yeah, you getting better with the times. Looking on your earth, tasting like some fine wine. Ex broke your heart, you can hear that through a mind. Nick be calling, but you never mind. Cause you all mine. Pull up to my house late night, hit the brake lights in the shade right. I know what's up on your mind. Pour a couple shots, put the Henny in my cup. And a couple moments later, we'll be winning up a twine. Something that's divine. Had to give it time, but I'm patient. I just wanna see on your spaceship. Plus you done the earth and you never on some facial. Didn't have to bill, I the women didn't patient. Basic, we should take a time, but you pace it. And you one to one, God ain't no copy paste. Felt too many times, this is different, we can make it. Love dripping good off of you, let me taste it.
Got me obsessed, got me obsessed, got me obsessed. Got me obsessed, got me obsessed, got me obsessed.
What is going on, everybody? I know you can't see me. I'm in the process of getting that fixed out right now with my camera. But if you guys can hear me, I need everybody to go ahead and tap in their location. Okay, I see you got a lot of people tapped in. I see my cam link not trying to work today. Might have to pop my web camera on today. By the way, guys, currently we are in a U.S. oil trade. We just took TP with gold earlier in the VIP. And possibly might be looking at NASDAQ for a sell, which could be happening literally now. I'm gonna give it 1 minute. I'm gonna wait on this closure of the candle, and then it looks like an opportunity that I'm gonna go ahead and hop in. But like I said, guys, I'm trying to get this camera fixed out too. Let's see, video. I see nothing is not trying to work today. Anywho, while I figure this out, like I said, I'm looking at this NASDAQ. I'm looking at this NASDAQ trade. Looks very promising. This is actually something I was looking for a minute. Looking at dollar, I know dollar is actually up. So we should be seeing some more upwards move with dollar. And then, yeah, let's see. NASDAQ didn't print out what I needed it to print out. So I'm going to still wait on NASDAQ. Guys, I need everybody to do me one huge favor. I need everybody to go ahead and like the video. Thank you very much. Please like the video, guys, and help the YouTube algorithm, as that helps me continue to drop these dope streams that I do every single day. So I need everybody to do me one huge favor. Make sure you like up the stream, and also make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Starting next week, I got some new little rules going on. So yeah. So let's see how this 5 minute plays out. If this one plays out very well, then this is something I'm gonna go ahead and probably follow suit with and take the trade. I'm still trying to figure out why my video isn't working. Hey, what is going on? How you feeling? How you doing? Oh my gosh, I see NASDAQ. It is taking off. That's kind of what I was afraid of. I knew it was gonna do something like this, man. It is what it is. We got 2 wins for the day so far. Anybody that's in the VIP. There we go. Got it to work finally. Jeez. All right, what's going on, everybody? Got my Starbucks for the day, then do my smoothie for the day. How we feeling though? Y'all feeling good? Did you miss anything? Nah, unless you was in the VIP. Other than that, no. So like I said earlier, we're still in oil. If you got in this when I called it, but this is a trade we're still in. We had a little drawdown going on earlier, but we should be going up, man. I mean, I feel like every time London, New York for this past week, we have just been doing nothing but consolidating. Gold, week, guys. So with gold, we played out exactly what I anticipated earlier. Give me 1 second, y'all. All right. So I'm not interested in anything for gold right now. So please don't ask me about it. Oh yeah, like I said, moving forward, guys, I'm gonna make this statement now. For anybody that comes in my streams, and especially you guys ask me to check a certain pair, you gotta officially be a member, a solo member, and this applies for you joining one of the memberships that we're offering on YouTube, which starting at $2.99 a month. Moving forth, because I'm being eliminating everybody that's in here that's just trying to get a quick buck or this and that, or they're all over the place. So I just want, moving forward, starting next week, that is exactly what we're going to be doing. So I'm probably give it like 15 minutes for everybody to speak, and then after that I'm closing the chat only for members only. So if you got any YouTube subscription from mine, whether it's $2.99 or going up, you can ask me any question and I will definitely respond back to it, literally. So that's the new rule starting next week, just to let y'all know, because like I said, man, I get tons of people hitting me up saying, yo, you should check this, oh, check that, check this, why you did this, why you didn't do that, why, blah, blah, blah. And at this point, I'm kind of like tired of that, right? And new rules is going to be implemented for sure, man. For sure. So I am using Osprey FX for my challenge. My new challenge I am doing. That is who I am going with. Man, we've been fluctuating on this TP right here. Yo, what's goody, my guy? Pocketing Pips, how you doing, brother? Yes, sir. Nas did a pullback. Did it? Oh, let's go. Hold on. All right. So, like I said, guys, Nasdaq is playing weird reactions right now, and it's giving me that I don't know if I want to really take this opportunity, and if I don't really feel confident in a trade, I don't take a trade. You know, if I don't feel confident in a trade, I don't take the trade at all. So honestly, what I am going to do is not probably trade Nasdaq for the day because I just really don't feel it. I don't feel this. I don't really see a setup. Right, in my eyes, I see something, but it's just it's going back and forth. It's going back and forth. Somebody telling me don't long, brother. I am going to do what I do, as I always do what I do. When everyone else tells me what not to do, I do. And then, like I said earlier, with gold, we took TP already with gold. And yeah, and if you guys pay close attention, the only reason kind of why I'm flimsy about Nasdaq is because of dollar. We tapped into our high. You guys know I say this all the time. Every high or every low is going to do one or two things. It's going to either go up or go down. In my eyes, I see it as simple as this. If we can break out of this most recent low, which it seems like we possibly could, it's a if statement. It's a woulda, coulda, shoulda statement right now. But if we do, that tells me everything I need to know about what's really going to happen with gold and Nasdaq. But until then, yeah, other than that, nah. And like I said, guys, moving forth, you have to be a member in order for you to leave questions in my chat room starting Monday. So don't be mad if you try to type in here and be like, oh, yo, E, check this. Or, oh, yo, E, why you got in this? Or, yo, E, can you tell me what this is? If y'all ain't a member, y'all ain't going to be able to chat. So I'm letting y'all know that right now. And as you see, this is why I didn't get in Nasdaq. Thanks to dollar, I can really analyze a lot of different things and figure out. All right, guys, we going hard TP with this one, man. I'm not finna hold this out too long. I'm hard TP with that one. I'm moving my stop loss to break even with one trade, and I'm hard TP in the other one. I just took TP with oil. If anybody was in the VIP and they got in this with me, yes. Let's see. Let me go ahead and make this statement. All right, cool. All right, guys. So officially out of that, I'm official. What's good, agent? I haven't heard you, or not heard you, but I haven't seen you in a minute on here. I know you be active in the community. But yeah. All right. Anywho, guys. I just hard TP with oil. I moved my stop loss to TP to break even for my other trade. Really, it's kind of like it's yeah. So guys, by the way, I am doing a new challenge. I'm actually doing a $2,700 challenge. It was a little deal I did with one of my homies. He was like, bruh, if you did 4,000, do half of that. I'm like, all right, say less. So basically, I'm doing $2,700 challenge. Last time I did a $4,000 challenge, so I decreased it down just to show that it doesn't matter what money you put in your account. If you can turn $100 into $200, you can turn $4,000 into $8,000. You can turn $100K into $200K. It's all in the head, and this is the hardest part in trading. Learning this. mastering this. If you can master this, then you got it. So that's the key to it. It's all mental. It's all mental, man. Trading is nothing but mental. I say this all the time. Y'all can learn every cool thing about trading, but man, it ain't what you think it is. It's all mental. All right. So I just hold on. I just moved my stop loss to break even. I thought I did, but I didn't. I just moved my stop loss to break even for this trade now, and I'm gonna just let it ride. Other than that, guys, let's see NASDAQ. Like I said earlier, if we pay attention to dollar, if you guys really want to really focus on dollar, y'all know I love the 2 minute and 30 seconds. If you look right there, we just took a low out, and then we already broke structure, and then we pulled back and went down. So that might have been the play, because off the fibs, that's kind of my 50% in my negative 27,618. So I think low key, yeah, I'm not even gonna worry about that one, because that play already had happened. So let me just go right back to where I was at originally, and just stick with that, and then we'll see what happens from there. Now, other than that, with gold, I believe initially I was looking on gold to head down, which I'm still looking on gold to head down, possibly. But from the looks of how dollar is going to play out, if dollar decides to hold its weight up with that high, which is this high, where is it to go? Where's that line? Where's that line? Oh, my bad. Obviously I looked right here. If we can hold its weight up with this high, and then if we can really break through this structure, gold should be going nothing but up. And then also the reason why I believe gold should be doing nothing but up, going nothing but up, is for two reasons. One, we broke our hourly structure that I had said the other day right here, right? Yesterday, I think we talked about this. Yeah, we broke our hourly structure yesterday. And as you guys see clearly, we're going up. If you guys pay close attention, you see that I drew my fibs from this low to this high. That is because this is our most recent range. If you look right here, this settlement right here, which is a supply level order block, a POI, area interest, whatever you guys want to call it, I don't care. This is an area where market could potentially react off of. So seeing that had happened, we got a lot of wick rejections off of this play. Look at this most recent, I call it MS, market shift, market direction, change of character, whatever the hell you guys want to call it, I don't care. But we got a direct change of direction. Market broke structure, and it pulled right back down, and now we should be heading up because of what gold was already doing. Right? Gold was already going up. And then on top of that, dollar, if dollar continues to drop, then we could see a minor move going up, but it shouldn't be a big move because we still have the pullback that needs to occur with gold. And if we go back to dollar, you guys will see that on a higher scale, we are going nothing but up for dollar, right? One thing when you guys trade is stop waiting on the pullbacks all the time. If the market ain't showing you a pullback, then don't just be like, oh, I'm gonna sell it. Because I noticed I used to do that a lot, where I would say, dang, market, it went up. All right, you know what? It's time to sell it. I believe it's going to go down. And right when I try to sell, it's still going up. And I get mad at myself like, man, I can't trade, man. This is hard. And it's very simple, man. Just sit and be patient. I feel like trading is like going right back for us to in first grade, kindergarten, learn the very basics of everything we need to know. And I feel like if we could just sit down and actually just be patient, wait on structure to break. That is the most efficient way to know as a retail trader if the market is going to go in our direction. And I better not have no smart money concept in here tell me, well, you know, smart money, if you was a smart money concept trader, you would know before that. No, you won't. At the end of the day, we are all retail traders, and we have to go by what we see. If, like I said this last stream, if we can go to Walmart or Balenciagas, I like this example, and we tell them that, hey, I want these Balenciagas shoes for $100, $200, they're gonna look at you and be like, dude, get out my store. whatever the price is, basically you're gonna have to pay that price. These shoes is $1,000, $1,200, $800, $900. You gotta pay that unless we running a discount. That's what retail is. Retail is what's already set. We just gotta obey by it. So why are we out here saying that we're not retail traders? I get the concept of smart money concept this, smart money concept that. You trading with the banks, you thinking like the banks, but at the end of the day, like I said this before, if you are not sitting at a damn bank, working in a desk, actually trading different shares, stocks, and all of this different things, ETFs, bonds, and all of that, please do not tell me that you are not a retail trader and you are a trader with the bank, because you do not trade with the banks. Everything that we are getting right now, banks already made money with. They have institutionals. They have these big, dumb, mega computers that gives out coding back and forth in milliseconds. They will get information way before it comes to us. So if somebody sold, they probably already knew it before it even happened. We will get it after they did they play and made their money. We get leftovers. So I'm telling you guys, that is the art of understanding retail trading. And that is exactly what every person in my stream and outside of my stream is a effing retail trader at the end of the day. There's no such thing as a dumb money person or a dumb money trader or a smart money concept trader, only trades with the banks. At the end of the day, yes, your bias might be a little different than everybody else, but that doesn't necessarily mean that you the god of trading or you this and that, because at the end of the day, this is number one in trading, and all the other stuff is BS. And that's literally it. That is literally it. So I see somebody keep asking me about gold, please. This is exactly why I'm going to change up my whole thing starting Monday. Because I already just talked about gold like 20 times. Wow, look at that. It pretty much smashed TP. And then it just, yeah. I'm literally waiting on Dollar, because Dollar's going to give me my play of everything. That was a better way. Less noise. Exactly. That's what I'm saying. Like, it's going to be way less noise in my chat, and I can really focus. And if somebody's really serious about trying to learn something, then, hey, y'all going to have to pay the price. Just like I say all the time. If you got knowledge and if you got something valuable, you gotta pay for it. If y'all got talent, let's say y'all talented in sports, y'all gonna tell me y'all gonna play sports for free when you know everybody else is making money? Or let's just say that you working a 9-to-5 job and they tell you, hey, I want you to work, but we're not paying you a dime. Y'all gonna go to work? Hell no. So that's why I'm telling you guys right now, starting Monday, because I don't want nobody coming here and be like, oh, whatever. Starting Monday, I'm going to only be letting members only chat. I'm going to only be letting members only chat. I'm going to let it open for like a couple people for 15 minutes. And after that, I'm closing it for members only. Because it's going to eliminate the noise for 1. It's going to eliminate the BS for 2. And it's going to let me focus for 3. And that's just what it is. When you give out hands, some people want the whole arm for free. Oh my gosh, man. Facts. I get people all the time telling me why your courses isn't free or why your boot camps aren't free. If I'm taking 14 to 20 hours of my hard-earned time to give you some sauce for free, I got a free channel on YouTube. I got a free mini course and I got a free Discord. Why else? What else do you want for free? That's the thing. Everybody's free hungry, and I get it, but you can get a lot of information for free. It's called Google. It's called YouTube University and Google University, which there's a lot of free knowledge on there. I got so many free videos that I could definitely charge a premium price for, but they're all on YouTube. And I swear to you right now, I know for sure I have at least a few people that master the art of trading just by watching my YouTube videos and staying consistent with all of the free stuff that I drop. So I'm letting you guys know that even there for all the people that can't afford anything and still trying to figure this out. Believe me, I was the same boat, and that's why I don't truly believe, like, you know, you shouldn't just be like, oh, give me this, give me that, give me that. But at the end of the day, I understand because I know where I came from and I know how I got here. But I know the knowledge I got too and what comes with that. And that being said, if you're trying to really invest into something, you're going to pay for it. Just like if you're trying to really get into some other things and be a doctor, you got to go to school, learn that. You got to pay. You got to pay the price. Ain't shit free. Not in life. Because if it was, then we all would be working for free. So stop BSing people and telling them, oh, you should charge this for free. Why is this not free? Because if you working right now and you're not working for free, then shut up. Respectfully. That's it. That's all I got to say. All right. So back to the charts. Looking at NASDAQ. This is still playing with me, man, because dollar ain't doing what it needs to do. If dollar can do the break of structure, let me put an alert here, then we might have something. Gold, I feel like gold is going to be choppy, moving up like that. And then oil, we're still getting beautiful plays of action. I'm not taking any other oil trades right now. Maybe, actually, hold on. Let me think about that. Let me not talk too quick. What time is it? It's about to be 11. Jeez, why? Guys, for the past 3 days, London and New York session, market just been choppy. Like, look, let me pull up my session so I can see too. This is today. We choppy. This was yesterday. We were choppy, but we still did something. But it was super choppy at the time. This was the other day. It was still choppy at some point right here, but then we end up moving. This one wasn't as bad though. Yeah, these two wasn't as bad. It's just for the past two days. This yesterday was crazy. We didn't even take anything. We actually broke even, and then today is doing it again. I know we had news with gas, but I didn't see anything. That's why I had put no news for today, because we didn't really have crazy news except for like we had like unemployment or something like that at 7:30 my time, 8:30 Eastern, and it actually moved the market a little bit. So can you explain this? Believe it or not. So we already smashed TP1 with oil. Let me put this notes in, because I know we got a lot of people in here that probably can't really hear me. This was the most flimsy scalping I have did in a minute. But it played out, man, and it played out because of this break of structure here. It pulled back, and we had another break of structure right here, and it pulled back, and then we had a nice little 5 minute, I think 5 minute engulfing candle right here, somewhat like that, and then boom. Yeah, guys, so I am doing a $2,000 challenge right now. I actually decreased it. I was gonna do 10. I'm like, you know what? Let's do 2, cause I had one of my homies. He was like, man, if you do 4,000, you could. So I had to tell him, like, bro, it doesn't matter about the money. So I was like, you know what? Let me do a 2,000, cause I know there's other people out here that don't have that money. But at the end of the day, if you could flip a 4K account to 40K, if you could flip a $1,000 account to 10,000, or $100 into $1,000, my guy. And my gents and ladies, you can literally do that. Doesn't matter what any account size you got, but it's possible. You can literally do that. Any account is just $10 to $100, you know, stuff like that. I'm going to be doing it $48 soon. Yeah, so I got to update my stats, by the way, on my trading journal. Let me do that real fast, y'all. Let's see. So the account started off with $2,758.40. I gotta be precise. We got a capital of $2,758.40. That is what my initial. You know what? Hold on. What's today's date? 32.23. Yes, I used my 3 confirmation rule. The strategy I had used for the I don't have it on here. All right, I gotta put that on there. I had long. What was my first trade we took? Actually, I had longed U.S. oil. I'm gonna just put Forex. I'm gonna do Forex because I don't really have that in there yet. The exit date was 3.23. Entry time was at 6:19, so that was at 8:19. a.m. All right, hold on, guys. My bad. Let me figure this out. Where is? Jeez, I can't even find it no more. Oh, data. There we go. Let's see if we refresh it. Okay, let me go to my journal. It's not showing on there. All right. Oh, there we go. It's showing right here. There we go. That's what I was looking for. All right, so it's showing that details overall. Oh, I gotta put the dollar signs in here. So I'm gonna do that in a bit. Exit time. This was a break-even trade. Actually, I got in at 8 a.m. And then I got out at 8:19 a.m. And entry price was at break-even trade. So entry price was at 77.87. Exit price was at 77.87. Position size was 0.50. Strategy I use, I gotta add it on there, but I'm gonna do what was it? PA momentum is what I look for, and then zero commission, and it was $0 for that. Let me see something. Hold on. All right. Yeah. Cool. All right, guys. Can we get that journal, please? Yeah, it's going to be available real soon. It's going to be available real soon. Once again, guys, if you're new to my channel, especially for everybody that keep asking me to check something, I'm not doing nothing because first and foremost, we don't have the likes up. So I need everybody on here to make sure you like up the video. And make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, everybody that's tapped in. I need all you guys to go ahead and like up the video. All right, cool. All right, guys. So yeah, that's going to be the target for sure. 500 likes. I think we were just, yeah, we smashed TP1. This is, yeah, because this is yeah. This trade is officially broke even. We've been choppy. I don't know what's been going on for the past 2 days with oil, but it's gonna move. I'm sure it's gonna move after this session, New York and London session. All right, guys. So we dropping with dollar. So yeah, I could definitely see gold probably be going up soon. Let's see, 2-minute play. This was my last break of structure here. We pulled back off of that play, which what fib settings was. We hit the fib play very well. I don't see it. No, I don't see nothing with the go right now. All these pairs been choppy this week, man. For real. Still is money to be made though, but dog, yeah, it's been choppy for sure. Last week it was choppy. I mean, yesterday it was choppy, and then like around 10 o'clock it started moving. That's because we had news though, guys, at 10:30 yesterday. But then today we have no news going on, and we're just chilling. I was expecting it to go up this week, but we're just gonna be choppy. I was telling everybody earlier why I wanted to sell NASDAQ, and that was because. All right, let me remove this. Hold on, there's a lot going on right here. I was telling everyone that NASDAQ, we have a big ABC pattern going on. In other instance, we have a big correction going on, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, or you can see it as 1, 2, and then 3. But we have a 3 to 5 wave cycle. After 3 to 5 waves, we do expect market to actually continue to, if it was already going down, to continue to drop. And yeah, that's pretty much what it is. So if we're looking at this now, we got what we call an expanding flat. I already drew my fibs out from this range to this range. This is kind of where my TP levels are at. And then looking at a higher scale, you guys see that we have price drop, climbed up, and we tapped into our negative 27 perfectly. And then we did another setback. And I always say this: anywhere from 27 to 618, expect market to do a setback. Rather if it's going to go sideways, go back up, but it's going to consolidate, create what we call a low, potential new low, and then drop. And that's really what it is. So we shall see what goes from there. Geez, y'all killing me in this chat with this bot. Can you check this? Can you check this? I'm gonna have to change that rule to today. Once again, if you guys come in my stream next week and realize you can't speak, that's just because you gotta officially be a member. I'm not gonna keep checking something, especially when I already talk about the same thing like 5 minutes ago, and I go into something else, and then y'all come back and say, "Hey, check this, check that, check that." Nah, I'm gonna let y'all know right now. Just as last time, I'm gonna say it in my stream today. Starting Monday, I am going to be doing only members access only to talk and chat with me. So that is the new rule, and that is what I'm sticking by. Cause like what I said, when I trade live, guys, y'all gotta understand, I'm still trading my live account. I'm still trading my actual account. So the moment that I'm over here talking about a pair that I'm watching and I'm trying to focus on the study, but then everybody else is like, "Oh, check this." Like, no, let me focus on what I'm trying to focus on first, and then if I want to actually check that out, check that next. But that's one thing I've been realizing since I did my streams is every time I talk, like let's say I go and talk about oil, in like 2 minutes I'm gonna have somebody be like, "Oh, check this." check oil, oh, check gold, check gold, check gold, check gold. And I check gold and I say nothing's happening. And then I talk about gold and then I go right back to the NASDAQ trade. 2 seconds later, check gold. You know what I'm saying? So I'm just being real hunted with y'all moving forward. I'm setting boundaries to this shit. I'm gonna check oil because this is my baby right here. And what I see is choppiness still, but like I said, it's about to be 11 o'clock noon. So this could possibly be another move, man. And I see this right here. I want to buy it again. Actually, let me see. Because this still applies. If we were to long it right now, oh, my stop loss has to be down here. It has to be. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, this is not really a good trade. If I take it to here, it would be understanding. But if I take it, we got a big correction going on too, which is all of this is impulsive, and then all of this is the correction, and then boom. That's what I'm looking for. One, two, and then three. Cause we still gotta play with this one too. Yeah, guys, I gotta do a light risk though. Let's see if for 1 minute can give me something better. Let's move that out the way. All right, so the 1 minute, dang, this is honestly kind of weird. I don't have no structure. Like right here, we got structure broke and it went up. I don't have that right here. Damn, I can't do it. I can't do it. I'll go against my rule. I can't do it. Look nice. Very promising too. This is but y'all gotta keep me in suit. Exactly. He-Man, exactly. I was just about to say that. Remember your rules. Don't do it. I was about to say y'all gotta keep me suit and tell me don't do it. And you're right. I'm not doing it. My rule of thumb is I need structure to confirm it for me. That's the only confirmation that I have. Other than that, I would be playing the guessing game, like 90% of traders do. So I'd rather sit here and wait on structure. And the only structure I see, yeah, I can count this as structure, but I ain't counting that. Only structure I see is this high right here. And it's kind of like if we got to break out of that and then pull all the way back. So realistically, if we do come up and then pull back, that's hopefully hoped to. Gosh, that's what I see. Man, I learned that from you. That's what's up. Don't do it to yourself. Penny lot trading, Iron Man trading. Risk to reward ratio is crazy. Yeah, I'd rather have my entry be somewhere down here, and I can put my stop loss down here, which give me a better reward, a lot better reward, and low risk. Which means I can even risk more if I want to, but it's still obeying my rule. 15% is my highest risk I gotta ever go. Well, what? That made no sense. 15% is the highest I can go on my account. 15%. That's rule number one in my plan. Like if I ever wanted to really go crazy with my account, it can't be no more than 15%. And this is my personal account, by the way, guys. I will be doing a funded account, but a funded account, I gotta have different risk rules. Per trade or per day? Per day. Well, yeah, per day. Overall, let me just say overall. It's not even per. It's overall. Like if I got it, and if I'm already in one trade and I'm risking 5%, if I really want to take this trade, I can't be overall 15%. If that makes sense. I like this, Steve. You said good morning, Solo. I hereby give you 2-week notice. Thanks to you, I'm ready to go off on my own. I appreciate that. I appreciate that. You taught me a lot, especially trading psychology, which is what I need. I've been profitable. There you go, man. I love it. I love it. I'm gonna do. I'm not actually doing Osprey FX. I'm doing a new funded account. A new prop firm. I'm still looking out to see who I'm gonna do with, but yeah. Now, guys, watch how when I stick to my rules, it's actually gonna do some crazy stuff, which gave me true confirmation. This is why I gotta stick with my rule, because y'all seen Nasdaq did that. I would have definitely took that Nasdaq sell earlier, but I'm like, hold on, we ain't really followed through with my rules. And as you guys see, for those that's impatient, this is what you got. If you buying it, absolutely is different, but I'm just saying for those that kind of is like where you're like, man, forget it, I'm gonna just take this sell just because I'm desperate and I need this money, or I just can't wait, and it goes against you. This is why you're failing. This is why you should not be trading live right now. We finally took the lows out. This is what I was waiting on. Oh man, beautiful. Now let's go to gold. Gold is so, oh my god, man, I'm so mad about gold. Like, why are we doing this right now? This sucks. We are dry, like absolutely dry right now. Okay, cool. All right, guys. So, nope, I do not trade that at all. I do not trade Euro USD. Damn, you said I've been following you for a week now, and you definitely upgraded my patience. Hey, that's what I like to hear. That's what I like to hear. Psychology and all of that, mental stuff, patience. I love that. I'm remembering why I stayed off the charts for so long. Why? Today's been good so far, guys. We got little scalp moves going on. If you are a scalper, you definitely made money. This is why I like scalping, because when the market is doing this, we still making a bag. And like I said, guys, I am doing a new challenge. I will show you guys it, but I don't have the MT5 on here, so I'll just show you on here. Hold on. So I'm doing a new challenge. I only made $200 on this account. I'm doing a $2,000 challenge. I am doing it with Offspring FX. So if you guys want to sign up with Offspring FX, the link is in the description. I need all you guys to tap in with Offspring FX. And I always say diversify yourself with different brokers. Never put all eggs in one basket, because you never know what could happen. I don't care if it's a regulated broker or unregulated broker. You never want to put one egg in one basket, because all eggs in one basket, because you never really know what could happen. Maybe one time one broker their server might be temporary down for a couple minutes while the other broker's active, and you got money in there, you can just trade in there. Rather than if you got everything in one, it's kind of like if something happens or this and that situation or whatever is going on, you can always go to your other account or your other broker. But I am using Offspring FX, like I said, to actually trade. I decided to go with them for this other challenge that I started really today. Moving forth, I got it my journal. You guys just see me entering in my journal. So I'm gonna upgrade it. I actually gotta fix something in the back end, because there's something with the journal that is not tracking the numbers right. So I gotta fix that. But I'm journaling everything for this account. It's $2,700 in this account. You guys gonna see me do another account flip, and we're gonna see how this one goes. But like I told you guys, I'm going back to what I was doing. I had to sticking with my rules. I feel like when I grew that other account, I've been kind of playing around a little bit, but now I'm going right back to my element. Like, I gotta obey by my rules. I gotta 100% stick by it. Don't do 99%, don't do 80%, don't do 99.9%, full on 100%. Like right now with oil, if it was me with my other account, since I already got it to where I got, I'd probably just be like, all right, y'all, let's buy it. But now, I gotta stick with my rules. So if we can get a structure, new internal structure to form, right, something like that, that's let's say something like that, that's perfect, because once we break through that high, my MS, boom, buy it right there, and I'm gonna finish with this trade. Last week, yesterday, if you guys look, yesterday we had news. So this is the range from here to here. All of this is all of this right here is what we call a expanding flat. You guys see that? Or open triangle, whatever you no, this will be a closed triangle. However you guys want to see this, right? But if we draw our fibs from here to here, you guys see we tapped into negative 27,618. Even if you draw your fibs from this range from here to here, you guys will see the smaller range, which is, or the smaller consolidation, which was this one right here. This is why I love my fibs. I got to add this strategy to my journal too. But as you guys see, this is also a correction. So this was range from here to here. Draw up my fibs, negative 27,618. As you see, we peaked in there and we pulled back. We got a bigger correction. And then boom, market took off. So that's exactly what I'm looking for here as well. Even on the small, yeah, we got a bigger range, so we got to really be cautious of that. But that's exactly what I'm looking for here as well. Oh yeah, I get out too. Before the stream started. I got in late. Usually I would do my streams either 8:15 to 8:30 or 9:15, and that just depends if I'm dropping my kid off at school. Love your channel and vibes. What state are you in? I'm in Illinois. I appreciate that, by the way. Did you blow an account? I used to blow hella accounts all the time until I created this and perfected this. Well, still in perfecting this. I can't say perfected it. Perfected. I can't even talk today. But I haven't truly perfected this yet. If I did, then I obviously would be in a better situation now. Probably would have one loss in my live streams or my overall trading, but else happened. I don't even care about that. I'm all about the journey. Y'all, I'm all about really not even a journey. I'm all about the marathon. Everybody's all about the sprint. Let's say that you have one bad week, right? Let's say you have one bad week. I don't want y'all to feel like y'all can't trade, man. It's going to happen all the time. But if you consistently stay consistent with your rules, you're going to come out winning. I promise you. I promise you. Yeah, you got to play the long game in trading. But like I said, 90% of traders don't understand that and can't do that. They think, even when, for those that, maybe take signals from somebody else, if you know they already winning, maybe you seen their results on YouTube, or you might have seen this and that, and then you might have joined their set. Like for me, let's say you see how we were doing great the beginning with my old layout, how we had, I think overall for that time being, how we got my account to where we got it, we had a 74% win rate for that account. It would be like that, and then the moment somebody joins somebody's stuff and they see maybe 1 week or whatever in a week, like it's a bad week and they think they bad or they can't trade. It's not that, man. It's all about it's a marathon. It's a marathon. It takes patience, and a lot of people don't have it. A lot of traders don't have that. And this is, like I said, I keep saying this because it's so accurate. This is why 90% of traders fail or quit, because they don't understand that, like, just because you had a great week last week and then this week you had a horrible week, if you know overall you're gonna come out winning if you just stay consistent, you got it. You can't be a winner in every trade. Unfortunately, that's not how it works. You just can't. And that's something that y'all gotta master yourselves. You said, hey, some of y'all gotta get the ban hammer for keep asking about, bro. Check this, check that. Please go, sir. Hey, I for real though. Like I said, moving forward, if you tapped in my chat right now, moving forward, starting Monday, only members only. and in order for you to be a member only to chat, I am starting my price at $2.99 a month. $2.99 a month. So I'm eliminating everybody that's Can You Chat Gold. People that's coming in my streams out of nowhere. They probably got like 5 other different YouTube channels right now, or YouTubers, and know they're in their tab right now asking the same question. Like, nah, moving forth, I'm charging for that, because if y'all really want to be a part of, if y'all really want gems and or you know, something like that, yeah. You don't know why? No, I wasn't in Philly. You said we're in Illinois, Chicago area. What is going on? I'm doing great. You said I don't have members. I don't really have a lot of members on my YouTube, but I will now. Like I said, and this is the reason why. I know we got a couple of y'all that actually joined from YouTube. That's better. That was so much nonsense in the chat. It just helps eliminate BS, and it helps me focus even more. I'm trying to 100% focus on the charts, and then, like I said, when I be preaching and really dropping gems, somebody be, please check this. Like, bro, this is important. You know what I'm saying? But like I said, everybody's money hungry. Man, this is a problem right now with the dollar. I don't know what is going on. We took the lows out. Honestly, I don't even know if we're gonna get the drop anymore with NASDAQ. This one just looks like a clear sell. But you know, when something looks so convincing, it's never gonna do it, because that's what everybody else is doing. Because now with NASDAQ, I need to also see a break of structure to the downside, which at this time being, this is the most recent low. We might get one forming here. I need to wait on this closure of this candle. But right now, this is the most recent low. Boom. I need to see that and then go down. Otherwise, we could just say F all that and just continue up. So let me remove this, because I don't really like to have too much noise. But yeah, that's what's going on. Once again, guys, I need everybody here to do me one huge favor. Let's get this video up to 200 likes. If you're new to my channel, you haven't liked my video yet, I need everybody here to go ahead and get this video up to 200 likes. 200. Let's go. We got 182. We ain't there yet. Let's go ahead and hit that 200. 200. Just like. Yes, sir. There we go. Very simple, man. Let's go. I love it. I appreciate y'all for the likes. Helps the YouTube algorithm. It helps me stay motivated in doing this. Otherwise, I can just continue to do what I do in my mentors, my groups, my mentees groups, community, and all that, and make a bag outside of the YouTube, and just continue to drop videos, pre-recorded videos. All right, man. Dollar is so convincing right now that we took this minor low. I just know that we've been going up. I see this little POI level right there. As y'all see right there, we got a little POI level. We broke this structure. We're pulling back. We could possibly see this whole. Let me just show you guys how I'm seeing it. From here to here is a possible correction. Draw my fibs from here to here. Anything in the negative 27,618 is where I'm looking for market to tap into to head right back up. And this is kind of why I feel like NASDAQ is going to play with everyone's emotions if you got in this for a sale. We do have divergence, but I still feel like it's still going to play around before it actually does anything. You guys see this is the divergence right here. We got going back to dollar. Like I said, we need to see that maybe possibly come here, which is going to make this still consolidate up. And if dollar starts to go up this time off of this bigger play of action because we tapped into this high, NASDAQ should be going this way. Very simple. Just patience is key. Patience is key. I got one important question for everybody here. Let's see. Do you have yes, no. All right, so I just put a question out. I want to know. I want to see where y'all at with this. Do any of you guys actually have a physical copy of your trading plan? And I mean like sticky notes, piece of paper. You got it written down on your own journal, or you have a journal, or you got something like this fancy, right? Or whatever. Kind of means you kind of have something like that. You still forming it, but it's still more in your head. No just means you ain't got that at all. Now y'all gotta be honest with me. Be honest with me. Keep it a buck. 52. Because I'm gonna be honest with y'all. If y'all not keeping a buck, I know y'all capping because the yeses should be low. Condas should be low too, but the no's should be a lot higher. So I see a lot of y'all say no. So far, we got more no's than yeses and kinda. I'm going to keep that poll up for a bit because I really want to know where y'all at with this. All right, so I see we finally created structure on US oil. Is this US oil? Yes, it is. We finally created structure on US oil. Right. Let's do 1 minute. No, let's go 5 minutes. A little crazy. Dang, it's even crazy on that time frame. Let's just go back to 2 minute right here. This is all of our structure here. We finally broke through. Confirmed it. Now we need to see either one or two things is going to happen right now with oil. It's either just going to go straight up now, or it could give us an opportunity where it might do something like this and then drop right back down to some of these levels and then up it go. That's the setup I'm waiting on. So I'm putting my alert roughly at 78.13. And then I'm going to see what happens from there. Now that I got structure, now I know where I can put my low at, my stop loss. If nine rules keep you in the blues consistency, you are winning. If you got rules in general, you are winning. It's not about how many rules you got. You got too many, you got too little. As long as you got rules, you're winning. All right, guys. I need all of y'all to answer this poll because I really want to see where we at with this. So far, 48% of y'all say y'all do not have a trading plan. And then we got 22% right now, kind of 30% yes. That's accurate. I believe that's accurate. Let's just be round. I'm gonna let y'all really think about this. For the 50% that said no. Think about this. If we didn't have rules in this country, as far as like, not even that, if we didn't have rules in this world, right? As far as all the rules we got, all the laws is a rule, guys. By the way, when I'm saying rules in the world, I'm referring to laws. I'm referring to everything that's going on, right? Even when you guys are being parents, right? Being parents to your kids. Your parents was parenting you at the time, telling you don't do this, go to sleep at this time. That's what I'm referring to. If we did not have rules, all right, I see we came back down. I'm gonna wait, but let me finish this. If we did not have rules, everyone would be doing obviously whatever they want and how they choose. Rather, if there's someone crazy out here that will do something intense, that will, do something, hope to God something crazy and hope not. But you got those type of people. You got people that will still be conservative to other people. You got what I'm getting at is we all will be running out wild out here, right? Doing our own thing. So that goes to trading. If you don't have a rule book, a journal, or plan, you out wilding out right now in trading. You all over the place. And I could tell you right now, for all the ones that said no, and this is not a bad thing, I promise you, I don't want you to feel like down. 48% of y'all, 50% of y'all said no. Either just y'all are two types of traders right now. One is I call one-hit wonders. One-hit wonder is your account you will probably have a really successful month or year in your account and then never be able to do it again. Or you just got straight losers. Meaning that overall, if you were to actually check your bank account or your crypto exchange and see how much you put into crypto and realize the money that you got back never met anywhere near it, there you go. There you go. So, like I said, there's only two types of traders in that suit. Is it the one-hit wonders, which you got a lot of those. I was definitely one of those for the past 3 years. One-hit wonder where I made 20 bands in 3 months, my first year of trading, and lost it all, of course. You got that, and then you got your straight losers. Straight losers. Then you got your straight losers. So at the end of the day, when you, like I said, when you think about it, guys, you probably never, I don't know if there's any, let me ask this another question. Is there anybody in here that actually withdraw money from their actual trading account? Anybody here that actually withdraw money from the trading account? Because at the end of the day, y'all can make a lot of money, but the moment y'all withdraw, that's your actual money. We all should be saying yes. Okay, you said my deposits. Okay, so you basically withdraw your deposit. Okay. You haven't yet? Well, I'm still going demo. Got you. Yeah, I do some. Okay, so that's my point. So what I'm basically getting at the end of the day is, you guys got to have rules because that's going to put you in place. And you just got to stick with everything, right? You just got to stick with everything. And just go from there. All right, so, this is looking promising right now. Damn, don't do me. Oh, this is a 2-minute time frame. I thought it was in a 5-minute. Ah, sheesh. We already up. Yeah, I would not have took this off a 2-minute. All right, if we can get a pullback, which I don't know if that's going to happen. If we can get a pullback here and then give us this candle right here, I'm in it. Otherwise, this is bad positioning for me. Like I said earlier, guys. Yeah, I need another pullback. I guess that was a pullback, but that's not it for me. I need another pullback. So I'm gonna put an alert here. Damn, that was not convincing enough. I need another pullback. I got my alert set for oil just in case. I'm telling you guys right now, NASDAQ will be playing with y'all emotions. If y'all think this is promising, it ain't. Kevin, what you about to short? Yeah, oil likes to go straight to the point. It's like NASDAQ. Once it's gone, it's gone. Yeah, it's booming, y'all. Look at that. I'm looking at it on my account right now. It's gone. Jeez. That's nice. It would have been even more nice if I was in it. All right, let me say this again so I know too. If we can get, if I can see oil pull back to 7.8.28, I need to see it give me like a nice bullish candle right around this price, and then I could possibly look for a buy. But that's if that happens. If there's anything else that's happening, I'm gonna have to change my bias. Yeah, I'm gonna have to change my bias. All right, guys. So you guys see how dollars got to give us that pull. Be cautious of this area of liquidity right in here, because that right there could give us that change, a shift to basically go down, to go right back down. Okay, oil just tapped into that area. And then we should be seeing and like I said, I need to see that play of action, and then yeah. You said I'm trying to be patient and stay out of it, but it's hard to deal with the emotions that, yeah, man, I'm telling you, it's hard. It's tough. It can be tough for sure. Very tough. You said you got in at 78.21. Thank you. Yeah, go analyze gold yourself. I'm not finna do that. What's going on, Sway? Yeah, I'm gonna put the band hammer. Now, like I said Monday, moving forward, especially for those that keep asking me to analyze gold. I know it's like I think 3 of y'all, the same people, same names I'm seeing, constantly keep saying analyze gold. Every time I go check something else, it'd be right back to analyze gold when I was just in gold. Y'all gonna have to be a member starting Monday, a YouTube member starting Monday. For anybody else that is already a member of mine, like you pay the VIP subscription, y'all got to hit me up directly, and I'm going to have to add y'all as a monitor or something like that. I'm going to have to manually add y'all in. So I'm going to need y'all YouTube username. But no, that's just the rule. That's just the rule of Monday, though. Rule of thumb. That's just the rule of Monday. So I can focus. Because I can say one thing and then somebody else is going to be like, oh, you shouldn't sell it. But every time I do what I do, it goes in my favor because I stick with my rules. Sometimes it don't. I'm not always right, obviously. But I'd rather know I'm right by sticking with my rules than somebody throwing me off telling me, oh, you should just sell it instead. Like, I'm not going to do that because you said it. If my rules tell me something different, I'm sticking with that. Yeah, you can absolutely watch my YouTube stream. All right, so I'm going to end the poll here. I see that you guys should see the stats of what everyone said. Man, we got a lot of y'all that actually don't have a trading plan. Interesting. There's like 59, I think 50, I don't even see it. There we go. 51% said no. 29 said yeah. 19 said kinda. Sheesh. And as you guys see, this is why I didn't get in gold. It's so choppy. I feel like we just gonna tap there and just go up now. Solo, do I trade US 500? US 500? No. Are you? Hold on. What is US 500? Because that could be a number of things with different brokers. If you're talking about NASDAQ, if we just say NASDAQ, I trade NASDAQ. So I trade NASDAQ. I don't trade Dow Jones, which is US 30. I don't really trade anything. I don't even trade S&P. Yeah, I was just about to say there's got to be S&P. I don't trade S&P. Nah, I don't trade it. I don't trade SPY. I don't trade none of that. I just stick to NASDAQ. Or NAS100 or US 100. Wherever broker they call it, they got different names, but originally it's NASDAQ. Dow Jones. I used to trade that, but I don't even trade Dow Jones anymore. I don't really trade synthetic. I do trade synthetic, but I don't really trade them like that no more. You talking about boom? That's what that is. But I don't trade US 30. It's not, I don't know, it haven't really been doing too much in my favor. And then usually y'all, if y'all didn't know, I love trading. I love growing smaller accounts. That's how I came up in trading. That's how I mastered the mental of trading. I always put $100 accounts in and I always blew them, but I always told myself, man, eventually I know I'm gonna be tired of blowing these $100 accounts. So I feel like with NASDAQ, if you have a small to decent sized account, you can trade with no problem. I feel like with US 30, you need a bigger account. And I just got used to NASDAQ so much that it's now a thing with me. You know, my accounts be like 20, 30 now. I just got used to trading NASDAQ and stuck with it. That's really what it is. Yeah, there's nothing going on right now with oil. Like I said, my move was it has to come back in that POI and it has to be, price has to, or it will have to. tap into the 78.28 area, and it has to close over that. But if not, it is what it is. And the NASDAQ, what is these two red lines? That's my fib play. Just really paying attention to dollar right here, because we could drop with dollar, which means that we could go up with NASDAQ eventually. What prop firm do I recommend? It just depends on what type of trader you are and what you're trying to do. I like I said, I'm still looking, so I don't want to say too much right now. You in a quick short for NASDAQ? Dope, dope, dope. I'm still looking to see what prop firm it is, so I can't really say too much about it. What size account would you suggest with having 60K? I mean, it depends on. I say still stick to. It's not a. Well, what do you mean? What size account you suggest if you have a 60K? Are you talking about lot sizes? True Forex funds. I heard them. I heard about them. Don't know too much about them though. My Forex funds is cool too. I like them. They probably have like, cause I know they do like it, my Forex funds is really cool. Cause I know like this. You only got to do 6% profits in the second challenge. And then also as far as the prices is pretty good too. I don't know what their spreads are though. That's a big thing for me, spreads. I care less about everything else, but the spreads is one of the biggest things. And the fluctuations in the back end. Yeah, that's who I started off with, FTMO. FTMO is probably the OGs in trading. You said my Forex fund is hard to log in? Oh, damn. I feel like FTMO and my Forex funds are like the hottest right now. But then you got a lot of really other good ones too that's really low key. Like I said, there's a couple that I'm looking at right now. It's one that I'm looking at right now. You said why gold and USD going up? That tells you that gold is so strong still, and in the moment that actually dollar drops, gold should really be heading up. But we're in consolidation anyway with gold. Like I said earlier, for everyone that's blowing me up about gold, it's going to be the same answer 5 minutes ago, 2 minutes ago. I'm not even going to trade gold today, other than what I took earlier. No, you just called it out in the VIP. That's the only thing. Things are starting to die down for sure though. Like I said, we're dying down with dollar soon. But oil, like I said, oil. Nice thing about oil is that oh, we tapped in it again. Nice. Nice thing about oil is around this time, reactions will head up, right? And I'm looking at oil to go up, guys. I ain't even gonna count with you. We got a new low, which is this one here. Shoot, that's a big stop, but let's see where our TP is at. Yeah, we already coming close to my negative 27. That's a no-no for me. We should already been in the trade somewhere down here. It's just gonna be doing little pullbacks to go up. Like I feel like these are little pullbacks to go up. As you guys see, we just tapped into my negative 27. Oh, we tapped into both. Here's the bigger negative. Here's the bigger ABC pattern. From here to there to there. We just tapped into that. We also got the smaller one, which is from there down and up. Now let me keep that back in there. Yeah, guys. Oil is doing justice for sure.
Picture a youngin' that used to live for the summer, skip meals to go run amongst all his peers. Now fast forward up a few years, that giddy little kitty growed up and all of a sudden had to pay bills. My current dichotomy grown from pure curiosity. Guess I didn't know that part of the deal, or know how quick it get real. Feeling so fleeting, me and myself need a meeting to make it clearer. Conversate with the mirror, watch your language when talking to me. I'm the one that's with you. Speak some life in the self. You should opt in the optimism when options turn into prisons. Get offered the slimmest pickings. Remember this place we in is
What is tomorrow? Tomorrow's Friday. Tomorrow I'm gonna be going live on VIP tomorrow, and then like I said, Monday we're gonna be back to normal schedule, and you guys will be seeing what we got going on with the account that I'm working on right now. Like I said, I'm working on a $2,000, really $2,700 account. We're gonna be seeing what we could do with that as well. NFP news tomorrow. Yeah, oh, non-farmers payroll. Oh, that's gonna be fun. That's gonna be fun. Non-farmers payroll. Yes, sir. Yes. Non-farmers payroll is tomorrow. It's the beginning of the month, right? No, it's not tomorrow. Ah, man, y'all cap. Wait, when is it? Oh, yeah, it's next week. It's next week. Okay. All right, it's next week. I remember when non-farmer payroll used to do a lot in the market. It don't really do too much now. Doesn't really do too much right now. That's what it used to do. Back what it used to do, it used to go crazy. Now sometimes it does it. Sometimes it really does not. Am I in any trades right now? No, not right now. Only looking. I was looking at oil, but it already peaked at the area that we needed to peak at. What's going on, King O'Neill? I seen one of your trades has smashed TP1 with USD yen. Beautiful. Nope, I do not trade. I definitely do not trade that pair. Yes, sir. Oil is taking off because of it's still got to finish a trend. It still got to finish a correction. I mean, a trend. Sorry. So it needs to finish a trend from this move right here. Let me remove this. This is actually annoying right now. Still needs to finish this, and it needs to go, and it needs to come into these levels right here. Put hold on, y'all. Put to 50. I don't know why the spreads are high with oil. It's just really what it is. It's always high. It's really high when it comes to like commodities and indices. That's really it, to be honest with you. What advice would you give someone analyzing your wins versus your losses? You can't really. I mean, honestly, man, if you sticking to your trading plan, even if it was a L, it's just let it be. Don't try to configure it and try to like be like, what could I? Because you're not gonna win every trade. Is what I'm trying to get at. And I feel like that's another big issue too. Is when you guys are trying to perfect your strategy and you mastered it, but then you took one trade and it failed perfectly with every rule. It came through, right? Every rule, it boom, that rule, okay, that rule aligned, but then you realize the trade didn't go in your favor at all. Now you're like, none of these rules work. But then you had all them other trades that took a W. Yeah, you're not gonna win every trade with your rule. I say, like I said before, 90. This is why 90% of traders fail and 10% is successful. And that is because a lot of traders focus on the sprint and not the marathon. So the moment you guys try to perfect your strategy and you realize that, dang, I took an L in this one. Let's say you had a winner in one and you took an L in one, and then you just said, forget this strategy, it doesn't work. You're not gonna find no strategy that's gonna give you win. That's just not gonna happen at all. Yeah, just don't strategy hop. Stick to your strategy. Master that. And then, like I had said before, there's a backtesting software that I like to use to perfect my strategy, and it's called Forex Testers. It's like if you're really trading a personal live account. Let me just show you guys one more time. I just made a video on it too, by the way. I just posted that on my YouTube channel. Check it out. But it's called Forex Testers 5. It's a really cool software. It's almost like an MT4, MT5 account. So you guys see right here, it's literally like an MT4, MT5 account. It's fake money, of course, right? I put $1,500 in this account. You can put whatever you want, but it's back testing. You can set it as far back as you want. I went as far back as 2018. You can go further back. You don't even need to go that far back. But let's just say that you get in a trade, right? I'm gonna put a market. Let's do a sell position. I sold the market. This is not live, guys. This is like I'm back testing. I can speed up the process. As you guys see, it shows real money, like fluctuating money, right? So this is a cool strategy. You can also add your stop losses and add your TPs, but it's like you're dealing with real funds right now, right? And then if you want to close this position, you can just simply hit close position, and then boom. This is probably one of the coolest softwares you can use to really perfect your strategy, because it's going to help with that mental. TradingView doesn't do that. So that's a really cool piece that you guys really want to try out. So that's my advice. It's a lot, but that's my advice. I heard an FX replay too. You said I should have stayed out of gold. Dang, man. If you was in my stream and you heard what I said, oh damn, you must have sold it. Yeah, you guys see oil went down because we tapped into that 27 Fed point. So we're gonna get that bigger correction. So I'm not looking for anything going on with oil right now. We just tapped into this level. This was where my TP was supposed to be, and I'm out. So I'm just waiting for my Mac. By the way, guys, if any of you guys are new to my channel, I need everybody to make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Once again, guys, everyone that is tapped in, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I need everybody to do me one huge favor. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. You said moving stop loss to break even after hitting TP1 as helped my. Yeah, you said has. I think you met has, but yeah, 100%. Yeah, bro, I did first time. Keep sharing the knowledge. Absolutely. Yeah, facts, man. Moving that stop to break even, that would definitely control your mental and your emotions. All right, guys, y'all see we tapped into our POI here on dollar. So whatever you guys felt, start seeing a reversal for possibly after we take this low out, though. We got to take this low out first. Take that low out first, that internal low, pull back, and then boom. Expect this to go up. Other pairs. And your confidence, yep, it helps with that too, man. Mental confidence, all of that. What is it? Oh, this is. I'm like, hold on. This is Nasdaq. I'm like, hold on. So, is there anybody here that trades on Fridays? Is there anybody here that actually trades on Fridays? I'm curious to know, is there anybody here that actually trades on Fridays? For the one that said no, why do you not trade on Fridays? I'm curious to know. For the ones that is telling me no, why do you guys not trade on Fridays? One rule though, I short oil on Fridays. Actually, I heard there's another good rule too. That you can buy. A lot of people will, I think, buy in on oil at a specific time. You trade Ethereum? I don't even trade that no more. It's too volatile. Yeah, I trade on Fridays. I used to actually not trade on Fridays, but come to find out, there's nothing different on a Friday than a Monday or whatever. I just feel like Sunday is the day I don't trade because that's the day everyone's getting ready to, get in, get out, and so forth. Any tips or room trade on Friday? There's really no tips. It's just a regular day like every other day. I really won't say anything, but with oil though, usually in oil you would start to notice something. All right, what's dollar doing? Dollar's still going up. I am going to adjust my levels here. Let's see. Oil, we're not looking at that. I feel like with Nasdaq, we don't really have too much going on yet.
for me. You the one that's searching for me. You the one that's hurting for me. You the one that deserve it from me. You the one that's perfect for me. Yeah, she a little freak. Yeah, she only do it for me. Yeah, yeah. What you don't know, girl? You know that I'm willing.
Say your setup for NAS was your sell setup for NAS was perfect. You sell what? I never sold NAS. I don't know if you're saying me or someone else. All right, guys. So check this out. So, what's going on right now is that I'm gonna probably be looking for something doing Asian session. I would say around like 5:30 my time, Central Time, so 6:30 Eastern Time. I'm gonna be looking for some other setups, but that's mainly gonna be with gold, and that's pretty much it. Cause oil doesn't really do too much during that time, and NASDAQ really doesn't do anything during that time, but really gold does, or obviously yen pairs. But I'm not really trading any yen pairs, so we're gonna keep our eyes open on that. I'm gonna be ending this one short. Today. And then, like I said, guys, if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Starting Monday, we're gonna be doing the members only. So you guys got to make sure that you tapped in on that. And then if you guys haven't already joined my Discord, make sure you check that out down below and everything like that. But guys, I'm gonna be tapping out. And then other than that, y'all, I'm gonna see everyone tomorrow VIP, and then everybody else see y'all Monday. Y'all have a good day and happy trading, and y'all stay blessed. Everybody take care. See y'all.
We used to f in a Jeep, that's when the was cheap. And took you to Telly's, eating at delis. We used to ride out to Philly. I'ma take you out, we could ride around, just the two of us. You my twin flame, ain't no doubt about it, we be so in love. From me, your club, I ain't pulling out, I'ma shoot it up. Cause you the one, shawty, you the one. Yeah, you the one that's working for it. You the one that curved them for me. You the one that's searching for me. You the one that's hurting for me. You the one that deserve it from me. You the one that's perfect for me. Yeah, she a little freak. Yeah, she only do it for me. Yeah, yeah. What you don't know, girl? You know that I'm willing to teach. Yeah, yeah. Reaching your peak. Yeah, you know I'm the one with that reach. You know that. Yeah, loving your body. Yeah, loving your body. Yeah, yeah.